Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm on the Upper West Side in a newly purchased apartment, and I'm creating a floor plan drawing of it for the architect of record so the owner could do some remodeling. Right now I'm standing in, I guess it's the great room, and that's the Hudson River out there and Riverside Drive right down below. This is like a dining room. Let me swing around. This is the continuation of the great room that I'm standing in. This is an intermediate passway room. There's the hallway down to the main entrance. We have a bath here. We have a bedroom here. Swing back around. The room I was just standing in. Closet to the right, hallway down. I have another bedroom here. Closet, hallway, closet. Let me scoot back in here. This is another bedroom. The hallway is the other bedroom up there. There's a bathroom in between. Fireplace, closet. Okay, the entrance and hallway. They have the fridge in the hallway, which is not great, but I'm sure they'll be fixing that. And then we have the kitchen. And then this is the hallway to the other room I peeked into. So hallway, closet on my right, bathroom on my left. And this is this. I assume it is a bedroom, or it could be another common room. Maybe it's a dining room. So this is what I'm working on today. Thanks for checking out my video. I wanted to show you around. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, something in the city or outside of the city, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime, and have a fantastic day.